Okay, we're on the 7th of July. The allotment's looking colourful. Yeah. We have yet another pumpkin growing. So that's 2. Everyone's got really big. I'll show you. Look! That's got huge in a very short space of time. Oh, we're in July. It's a little bit early. How big is that thing gonna grow? My goodness. Anyway, let's see. I'm not sure whether we need to water today because it has rained. So I'm just gonna test. Okay, it's a bit dry. That was better. Okay. Let me just test each bed as we go. Yeah. We unfortunately didn't get a chance to come and water yesterday. So the green ran until last night. In the greenhouse, the tomatoes were looking really sad. They look like they've recovered a bit. So I'm going to try and pay extra attention to them from now on and hope that it will be good. I'm hoping. Need some more potatoes today. So I'm going to do pie and mash. So that should be good. Let's have a look, see how we're going. Courgettes are doing amazing. I'm getting so many all the time of all of these. Never in a million years thought that it would go this crazy. Cucumbers. We have a cucumber. That's the first one I've seen. Oh my god, we have a cucumber. Brilliant. Oh, I need to tie that up. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, yay. The peppers are doing okay. Yeah, not quite sure there. Yeah, a few jobs today. So yeah, hopefully we're. Oh, that's really sad. We'll be all right. The bugs, yeah, the bugs. I keep watering them. I'm in the hope that they'll be all right. I think they're goners. We'll see. I've put some peppers outside as well. Grapevines. Let's have a look at them. How we going? Oh, doing all right. Let's check the other one. So remember, the grapevines are 2 different types of grapevines. This one was a bit more. I had to take more of the root off this one when we moved it. So I don't know how it's going to fare this year. It always seems to give off the grapes a little bit later, but I'm seeing absolutely no sign. I think I traumatised it too much in the move. Hopefully it'll be okay. It might just take a few years to recover. We'll see. I'm going to keep my fingers crossed. Sunflowers are doing great. Potatoes coming to the end of their growing life, so that's all good. Borage is looking amazing. Yay! Hello. So many bees. chuffed? I don't think we've done too bad. There's a couple of beds that have not been great, but I think that's more us and Mr. Moley. Oh, I'm going to pull up some onions as well. Look at the onions. Right, so the onions, they're really weird. I've not had like many of them come up, but then I've had some that have come up quite lovely. So I'm not sure it's quite ready actually, but I do want to pull one. The top of this one looks a bit dodgy, so let's do this one. It's a little small, but it'll do. I'll leave the other a bit longer. First onion. Woo! Right. Oh no, that's another job. Okay, right, I'm going to get moving and I'm going to sort the tomatoes out and make sure that the cucumbers are tied up. And then I think we'll be okay. We'll be okay then. I had to take some leaves out of these as well to make sure that we can get enough light to the beans. But we will see how they pan out as well. Some bugs have obviously got in there. Great. But it's alright. We'll get there. I do like this garden. My little herby garden. It's more of a flower bed. Right. And there's a few weeds, so I've got some weeding to do as well. Right. See you soon. While the kids are having a little bit of a bicker over who's got the best pumpkin, we have this patch here, and I think I thought these were like cabbage. I'm really bad at labelling things. I thought the leaves were funny. And the flowers have come out and they're purple, so I think that's everything. Can't even get good focus on. I'm sure. Purple flowers, or something like that. It's H. What do you reckon? I need to get better at labelling. Right. Pumpkins. Let's go and have a look at the pumpkins. Pumpkins, pumpkins. Can we have a little hand on the biggest pumpkin, shall we? Ollie, get a little hand. Shall we put your hand on it? I guess just to give you an idea of size. That's awesome. What date is it today? 10. Anyway. You're both right. I love flowers. I need some seeds of these. Okay. Right, I need to get the kids to bed now, I think. It's not late, but I think they need to get to bed. It's been really, really hot today. The chilli plant has really enjoyed it. The tomatoes, not so much. It's doing alright. I'm not going to look in there until tomorrow. I'm checking out. Yeah. TLC to the tomatoes has been taking place. They are slightly better, but the heat. Oh my goodness. Right. Well, here we go. Ah, it's... This bed makes me really confused because it is my veg patch, but I did try and grow different types of flowers along here.
I don't know why you thought that was a...
And it didn't work. The flowers that I planted didn't work. However, the ones that I grew in little pots, and I put a few in, only a few, have gone mad. And my herb bed is more of a flower bed than a herb bed. I'm hoping that this is fennel, but I am not sure. If it is, I'm not sure how it got there. We have a fennel plant at the other end. Go and check. The other one doesn't look as anywhere near as healthy as that one, and yet it's slightly more mature. Well, it should be. Did I try and spray some of it and just forgot? I am not a great gardener. I do all sorts of stuff. I just think, oh, that'd be good at the time. Just do it and then forget, and then it's like, oh, is that something from the birds? Man, never sure. But yeah, looks like we've got some fennel up there as well in my confused bed. I have planted a little bit of thyme and basil that I picked up from the garden centre for nothing because I didn't have a great job doing it from seed. Some parsley as well, so I've just added that on. Need to, I think next week when I do the potatoes, I'm going to put some of the soil up here because it's a bit sad. So yeah, I think I need to. The mint's doing quite well as well, I suppose. It's not all bad. I think it looks quite pretty. I'm just confused by it. Lots of weeds as well, so need to get weeding. Oh, I think it's a bit of both.
It's just really confusing to look at.
It is really confusing.
It's like looking at a rainbow when it's not even a wet and sunny day. You get confused why a rainbow's out on a sunny day.
And my bed confuses you like that?
Yes.
Fair enough. Okay, right. It is what it is.